Hey, Smita and Reshma.
Hey, how are you, Nirupa?
Hi, Reshma, how are you doing?
Good, good.
Okay, in Python, Excel, SQL, Tableau, Power BI. So no, your knowledge levels need to write simple programs and data cleaning activities and summaries.
So data cleaning activities means like the missing numbers and everything which we did in Excel.
Yes, right. Missing numbers and for example,
Null value.
sometimes data will be mixed and it will come. For example, from this data, you need to extract only first 4 characters and you need to separate the numbers and text. How you will do such type of activities? You need to search for something. So that type of basic level of somewhat more middle level of Python understanding is required. Along with the Python, you got to know NumPy and Pandas libraries also. This will be especially for the
Python.
yes. In Excel,
NumPy means is it
numerical Python. That is a library. Which is
library? Okay.
library. Okay. Data cleaning, analyzing data with simple statistics, visualizations. For SQL actually uh, fetching data based on our requirement using different conditions. Tableau, loading data and creating dashboards and dashboards with multiple features and publishing into environments. Power BI. Power BI, Tableau.
Those are similar, sir.
Those are similar, but the interaction is different and little bit of features. Though both those two are market leaders in reporting.
Okay, so there is something like DAX script kind of thing in.
Yes, DAX are there in Power BI.
Okay, yeah, Power BI. So that is also like it's like a programming language or it's a script.
It's like in Excel we are writing some formulas, right? Like
Okay.
that DAX.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
that is the thing. And now where we are, okay, right. Now, anyone are facing problems with MySQL still?
You mean in installation, sir?
Yes.
No.
You're able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Previously, we discussed about some queries, right? You remembered?
Yeah.
We stopped the before regular expression.
Before regular expressions, right?
Yeah, we
Yes.
didn't start regular expression.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, before the class is wrapping up, I have few doubts. Just for 5 minutes, I will clear. Then I
Sure.
don't want to disturb
Sure.
it.
Sure. Sure. Sure.
Okay.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
So up to here we completed, right?
Yes. Where? Oh, sorry.
Yeah, we
Yes, that's
completed till
correct.
like, yeah.
Like.
Okay, right. Now, so regular expressions. Anyone can tell me what you used or you know anything about it?
Yeah, so in regular expressions, it will display like the strings or name, like depending upon the type of things which we are giving, like if we say regular expression EL, it will search in that particular column, whatever we are specifying.
Mhm.
So it will search for the words, letters EL, and it will display those letters. Same
Okay.
like there are different types of operators we used along with different with the regular expression, like the caret symbol, the or symbol, brackets, and all, which will
Mhm.
do different, which will display different. Like if you use the caret symbol with the regular
Mhm.
expression, so it will like it will help you find the beginning value of the letters given in that query, like the first name which starts with the, if we say caret regular expression caret H and A, it will search for the letters, like the names which starts with H and A.
Okay.
And the dollar sign with regular expression, it will help you find the ending values, like the letters which we want to find the names which ends with particular letters, right? Like DA or CA, it will find the letters like that. And the OR operator is used with the regular expressions. So it will fetch either a regular expression, it will search either if we say regular expression in the inverted commas, like I mean in the thing which we give, if it starts with Ka or Ma, it will look either for Ka or Ma values, and it will display like that. And again, regular expression, if you say it basically it will search for the multiple values in a word. And
Okay.
in brackets also, it goes the same. It will look for the multiple values, but the values which we specify inside the, like you can say regular expression S brackets UC, it will search for the word starting with yes, but it will do the combinations, like if it searches for S starting with U and S starting with start S letter word starting like SU or SC, it will search like that. And
Okay.
yeah, and ranges also you can specify within the brackets.
Anyone know about anything related to it? Regular expressions. Anyone used in your day-to-day work?
No.
No? No one?
No.
Good. Regular expressions and this particular like function will be little bit similar. In like function, we have regulations and we have some limit in like function. To overcome that limit and to go into the next level, regular expressions will help us. Okay. See, now just I'm not doing anything, just a simple change compared to the like. If you observe, in place of like, I'm just changing okay, I'll go with this particular table. Hmm. Okay, tell me customers. In which table it is there? Customers table. In which database?
SQL store.
HR. HR.
Store.
Inventory. Invoicing. Store.
Okay. Last name.
We have it in store, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, store table.
Yes. Already identified long back ago. You are now responding. Okay, see. You can observe and you can interrelate what it is happening. Exactly identified, right? Inside to the double quotes, we provided some specific field. You're able to see?
You said field, so the last name with the field, it just pulled that out. Yeah.
Now, if you observe, you need to be little logical to understand these things. What you observed? You got any results?
No.
No.
Just you see now. Please remember that particular symbols which I'm using it here. What is the result you got?
Brush field, it is looking like the end word
Okay.
with the dollar.
Dollar means after field, whatever may be the thing, you can identify. Okay, I'll see. I'll just use it. Now, just I'm changing it. Now, what I'm feeling like that either this one or another name is what? Sorry, space will show influence on the character string. What it is doing?
It's picking this out. I mean, it's looking for the words field or Mac. So both are there.
Field or Mac. What is the or operation at here? What is the operator we are using?
Or.
Pipe symbol.
Pipes. Yeah, that's mine.
Okay. If I want to use another thing, just I am including it and I am adding one more thing.
So you mean that Ray, it picked up from McCaffrey?
Sorry. No.
It will not do like that, no, sir. Yes.
At anywhere. What it symbol simply at anywhere field or Mac or Rosie. See?
So it matches any of the pattern, like,
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. It's simply with the single quotes and or operations. Now, if you come down, previously we used the thing, right? 1 second. I'll tell you now. I'll show you the different
If
symbol.
the result grade is not coming, that means we are doing something wrong.
Oh, no. Result grid is, no, result grid came, right?
Yeah, for me,
With rows.
I just copied your query that 101, 2 and 3 line number, but result grid is not coming. I am getting this
You need
output.
to execute, right? You need to execute.
Yeah,
Yeah,
execute.
I executed, sir, but it's only this action output coming.
Action output coming. Any
Yeah.
red one you are able to see?
Mm,
Any red symbol? Any red result?
yeah, they were. Yeah, they were there.
Yeah, so we need to fix the
Okay.
command, I think. Mhm.
Any
Yeah.
red result you are able to see?
It says unable to unknown database SQL
Ah, right.
underscore.
You need to match the database properly with the
Okay,
table.
okay. Okay, I don't have it as SQL store. I got it. Okay, sir. Now I got it. Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah, sir.
What you did? What mistake you did?
I wrote SQL underscore score store, but I have it as only store.
Not
Okay.
customers. Okay.
Yeah. The name of the table database I was
For
writing.
that, at any place, if you stuck out now, you need
Mhm.
to look into this particular error.
Okay.
It will give clearly.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Right. Now just see. So now I'm trying to identify USH. USH. You're able to identify the same thing. This is the extension for this.
Mm.
This is a single one, and this is a with a multiple conditions.
Sir,
Mm.
can we do it with that caret symbol once again?
No. Caret symbol implementation we didn't came at that particular place.
Yeah, because
So
before
what happened with dollar sign? You put the dollar, that cap sign.
Dollar sign matches ending.
ending letters.
Yeah.
Okay.
If for example, if you see field is nothing ending, I'm going to select. I'll show you. So now select star from customers. I'll take this sample query and I'll prepare based on our requirement. Okay, these all are our customers, right? For example, if we choose dollar symbol is for what? What you're saying?
Dollar
Symbol is
symbol,
for
last fields it will.
Ending of a string.
caret
Yeah.
symbol.
Your voice is not clear.
Caret symbol, it will look for the beginning.
Okay, so now I'm using this particular thing. Okay, 1 second. I'm using this particular regular expression. I'm using caret symbol to represent the
So
first field.
can we do both
So
operators at a time?
yes, we can do. Already we know the OR operation, OR operator, right? We
Yeah,
can field and
or
we can
we
perform.
can, okay.
Okay. Now, what is the name? NA. NA. You will see what will happen. Are you able to see?
Yes. NA is the starting, like caret symbol is the beginning of the string. And
Okay. And the same thing, once again, we'll execute this query to find out some more results. And now,
Pari, do the phonics
I'm using AY. Ending with AY, it should be.
dollar. Mhm.
Okay. What it is saying?
Ending with
AY.
A1. Ending characters.
Got it.
Okay, ending characters should be whatever it may be the starting, it doesn't require.
Right.
Hmm.
The caret symbol is whatever it may be the ending, it doesn't require. But it need to start with that particular characters which you
Correct.
mentioned.
Yes.
Okay, this is for the
This,
direct search. And what is the difference between this caret and dollar symbols and this one?
Which one, sir?
so it will contain
The
these
If it
Python.
three
contains
letters.
at any place,
Any
at
place.
any place.
Hmm. Yes.
Okay, at any place,
Yeah.
at any
Hmm.
place in the string. These two are. This is for what? For OR condition. Okay.
Yes.
Mhm.
Okay. Now, someone asked me, right? We can implement a dollar and that one, and this one. I'll show you now. Okay. Now see, regular expression where it last name is ending with
AY.
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 Okay. Now and last name ending with start I and otherwise or okay. We'll tell 1 second. We'll tell 1 second. We'll run the particular and first
EL.
name starting with EL.
Mhm.
But in this, do we have pin option for the results? Do you know?
Yes, we can.
I mean,
We
again
can.
and again we have to run. Is it? I am not able to find it
So no,
out.
in generally in DB2 we can able to we can
Yeah.
have in DB2 pin option will be there. We can set
Here
we
we
can
are.
say.
Yeah.
But here I
Here
think
I think we have
so.
to do it
You need
again and again.
you need to 1 second. 1 second. I'll
Yeah, I was trying to find it out, but
mm,
you know,
What is pin option?
you can save the results. I mean, sir, have to again and again run the query to find it out. No?
Okay.
If you pin the result window, there will be one more result grid window open.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that I was trying to find it out. If we can save the result somewhere.
Okay.
No, you're not right.
Mm.
I think MySQL doesn't have it. Okay.
maybe this feature will be there or we need to.
I have never worked with MySQL. That is why. No idea.
I never tried basically to retain those things. So no, I'll try to
Fine.
search and
Yeah, sure,
I'll tell you.
Sure, thank you, sir.
Dollar and
Mhm.
you're able to observe here I given the condition like EL, right? EL or EI. This is EI or something else.
That's
That is Elka, right?
Let's
Elka.
go for another starting letters.
Okay. We'll do with
BA, Barbara, BA.
EA. What's happening? We don't have data.
No,
Last
there is
name.
Barbara. So
Oh,
first.
we're seeing in the first name, yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, we are in the last name. So BR or BO, yeah.
Okay, see now.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Combination. You can use this one and that one. Now, dollar, caret symbol, and R symbol, and simple text. You can use in the combinations.
We can use multiple operators like that in the single
Yes.
select.
Yes, right.
Mhm.
Okay.
So I found out if you go to the result grid and where we see the customers 24, if you right tab on it, right click on it, pin tab.
Pin tab.
Okay.
Yeah, got it. Yeah, thank you.
Where is this
Valid.
pin tab? Hmm.
Right click on the if we do that.
Sorry.
Yeah,
What?
sir, that got the first, now on customer 25 under the result grid.
Ah, yes, yes,
We
I
have one
understood.
more
Who's
tab.
saying? Who's saying? Tejinder?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was trying to find an easier way so that you don't have to go again and again and
Ah,
find it. Yeah,
So
pin.
this
Now you can pin this tab also. Yeah. So you
okay.
don't have to run that query again and again.
Okay. Thank you, Tejinder.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. See
so
now.
this regular expression will work only in characters or can work in numerical value too?
Whatever may be the thing.
Okay, okay. It will work in
If you want,
any form.
if you want to search
Hmm.
for the numbers, you know
Okay.
what you will do. What you will do. For example, here
Hmm.
you want to search for the points. For example, you
Yeah.
will consider
Hmm.
how you will check. That is a number. That is
Yes.
a number, right? First of
Hmm.
all, that is a number. For number,
Yes.
what type of operators will have? Okay, I am asking the question.
Hmm. Hmm.
You need to fetch the results which are starting with 3. Numbers which are starting with 3. How you will do? Come on. You can search or you can Google it or you can do whatever you want.
Yeah.
Everyone are in front of
Oh,
your systems with MySQL, right?
yes.
Yes.
Open or just you are listening?
So one more time. The question is.
One my okay, sorry, don't confuse me, Tejander. The
Sorry.
my question is I
Mhm.
am asking, please fetch the results which points are starting with a 3.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Mhm.
How you will do? That's my question. You can write. You can
Which
write.
which
Someone can post
points
it in the
the
group. Which are starting with a 3. It may be 30 or 30,
points? Oh, okay, okay.
30 or 300 or 3000 or 399 or 388. I want to fetch all those results. How we will do? I want to know. If someone can post it in our group. Okay, you can try after after this. Okay, right. Now you have another specific thing which you can able to observe. Hmm, see this one. This is also the regular expressions. This is a different category. Okay. Now, a in the last name, if it contains a, all these results came, right? And
Mhm.
what I'm asking it, just try to cleanly observe the result. By observing the result, you need to tell me that its functionality. Okay, just see clearly. I'm trying to frame this question. Can tell me what is its functionality?
Is it looking for like matching any numbers that is in uppercase? M,
No,
N,
not like that.
No, I think it is showing that O, M, and G contains characters all data. Like first one, last name it contains M, so it is showing that. Second one is O, then N, and then last one is G.
No,
No?
no.
I think it is doing like M, doing the combination with M A, and again it is
Absolutely right.
O
Nirupa?
A. Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, take candy. I'll send.
Thank you.
Okay, okay. With these two combination, these two.
Yes.
Okay.
In the inside to that particular square brackets and
Mhm.
with that A. M A,
Okay.
O A, N
N
A,
A
G
G A.
A.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Like that, you can use at the starting and you can use at the ending. For example, if I want to use a character which is starting from here, okay, C, here C, you can mention at the starting or at the ending. I mean to say, like, you can take the one letter combination in whatever way you want, you can keep. Okay, is it clear? What is the use of this particular thing?
Yeah.
And I'll tell one more thing at here. This will be little interesting. Now I'm saying it to A to Z. What it meaning? A to Z means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A up to Z. After C, whatever may be the thing, it will pick
Okay.
any one of that combination.
Mhm.
Is it clear
Yeah.
Hmm.
for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now I'll tell. So for just your purpose, I'm writing these things. Caret is for
Beginning.
Beginning of string. Beginning string.
dollar,
Dollar for ending.
Ending string.
this one,
So
Or-
conditions or condition.
this one
Yeah.
is for
Combination.
combination.
Mm.
This is for range.
Range. Mhm.
These are the different functions which you're able to find out. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Now, okay, right. I'll ask some simple questions. So each and everyone are clear with the regular expressions and like function.
Mhm.
Okay. Null order by limit class. Okay, right. I'll leave this one up to now and order by. Okay, select SQL store from customers. Where? What is the condition we need to take? Where state belongs to FL. City. City is equal to FL. City belongs to FL. And okay, first I'll check this condition.
This is
So state will come after.
state. Where is state equal to FL?
Okay, state, all right. I thought like that city. State is equal to FLY. It is not running. SQL store customers. In customers state STATE state.
Sir, can we do like, sir, there? State.
No, we can do, but no problem. I'm saying limit clause select star from. Oh, okay. Okay. Select star from SQL store where state is equal to VA. Okay, right. It came right. What is the mistake we did? Previously, that's also same thing, right? Why it doesn't came? Okay, leave about it. So okay, state is this one, right? Especially this is a filter condition at here. Now, what I'm feeling like that. I want to identify some specific things from here. Okay, customers. In customers, customer ID is there. Okay, and in HR, no. Employees, columns. Okay, and SQL inventory tables, products, columns. Okay, invoicing tables, clients, columns, client ID. Okay, You were able to see some city information, right? Inside to that SQL invoicing.
Yeah.
State information at here. Okay. State information is there in SQL invoicing database, and state information is there in okay, right. Two different databases at here. One is SQL invoicing,
Mm.
and another one is SQL store. Identify the states which are common in these two. How we will do? You can do, or it will possible, or it will not possible to do that what you want to do. I'm not asking about how you are going to write the query. I'm asking about the logic.
I know we can like maybe using joins we can select the thing like from both the states from both the tables, sir.
Okay. How we will do that?
I don't remember exactly, but
Or maybe outer join or something.
Okay, whatever it may be the thing, please try to search that one. Anyway, I'll tell, but for your curiosity, just I'm giving. So this is the second question today.
how to
Same two columns are there with the same type of information in two different tables, two different databases. You need to identify what are all the such type of states are there in SQL invoicing and SQL store. Clear? Question is clear? So this is the one thing, right? I'll tell you where you need to use.
But sir, these are two different databases, right? Like
Yes.
two different databases and
I'm using here. What are all the states available in our data? VA, CO, FL. VA, CO, FL. You understand that in operation function use, it is R function. It is also some kind of R function when you are combining using with help of in. For example, Smita is there, Rohini is there, Reshma is there inside to this class like that.
Mhm. Okay.
In function will be how many, what type of things you want to use, you can use this.
Mhm.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now, order by points. Just see, I'll points. Can you see this one? What happened? What are the observations you found from the previous execution to this execution? And see the code and see the results and try to find out the relation. Anyone identified what's happening? Order by is nothing but it will arrange the results based on that specific column, defaultly ascending.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, you want to in a descending order means you need to mention that descending.
Descending.
Keyword,
Okay.
yes.
So can you tell again, sir?
So okay, see this one. So this is the descending, right?
Okay,
Descending means largest to smallest.
Mhm.
okay.
Okay, you see the results. 2967 is here, 2273 is there.
Okay.
I am removing this thing.
Ascending will happen.
Yes, default functionality of order by is ascending.
So limit by 2 means it will select only the first two values.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, and it is saying the state where the customers either it
See
Oh.
this.
VA, Colorado or Florida.
All these results came, right?
Yeah.
There is no influence on the order. Defaultly ascending order came.
Okay.
205, 457, 947, 22. If I am just restricting to one, I will get only one record, which
Okay.
is lowest,
Florida.
right? If I am mentioning descending and if I am fetching, the one record means it is the highest one, right?
Yes.
Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Order by and limit. Anyone having any doubts up to now? What we discussed up to now?
But
So-
if we don't use limit, then we'll get all the records.
Yes, all the
So-
records in a specific order.
Okay.
So here you used in function, order by function and limit clause.
Yes, I used where, in,
Yeah.
order by,
Yeah.
limit.
Yeah. 4. Okay.
Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
And now I want to say some concepts related to joins, and after that I shared you some resources. Right? Just try to go with it. It will be very easy for you. Join means defaultly it is an inner join. You need to remember.
You want us to read on that, sir? Joins?
No. Just look into it. I'll tell anyway. I'll tell just for the reference purpose. Just you see.
Okay.
Now you see. So here I am telling some basic concepts. These concepts you need to keep in your mind. Join means inner join. Okay. If you are mentioning left join or right join means left inner join or right inner join. For example, left join means left inner join. Right join means right inner join. But defaultly we'll use only right join. It means inner join. Okay. If you want to mention outer joins, left outer join, right outer join, and Another concept is that this is the very tricky one. Definitely interview question will be there on it. Self joins. Okay. And cross join. Maybe if you use the SQL and if you try to write some queries, definitely you face this particular cross join problem. If you're writing some inner joins, or if you're writing some queries, or if you try to fetch the data based on some specific conditions from 2 or 3 tables, definitely you face that particular problem. Cross join means, you know what will happen in this one table 4 records are there, another table 5 records are there. By based on that condition which you written or which you prepared, you know, 4 into 5, 20 records it will generate, 20 rows it will generate. That is cross join. Self join means to fulfill some specific conditions, we'll join that particular table with that particular table itself. Okay. Left join means left inner join. Right join means right inner join. Left outer join means right outer join. Left outer join and different, right outer join different. Self joins different, cross joins different.
So what is the interview question you're saying, sir? Self joins?
Self join. Regarding to the self joins, and you know, employees and reporting will be there. Reporting on concept will be there. For example, even though you are reporting to one manager, your manager also an employee of the particular company, right? In the report, for example, employee reporting manager. For 6 of us, reporting manager ID is 123. That 123 also should be an employee, right? In most of the cases, and he reports to some other one. If we want to fetch all the leaders information, how we will do in that situation? Information is in the same table itself. Like that. Once again, I'll try to show you. That type of data also is there. Products tables, invoice, indexes, SQL, HR. Okay, right. See this one. Employee ID is there. Okay, reports to is there. You observed. What is the meaning? What is the meaning if the reporting ID is not there for that employee? What it mean?
Not reporting to
Reporting
anyone.
ID is not there for employee. What it mean?
He's not
How you
reporting
will
to anyone.
understand?
He's
It
not
means
reporting.
it means
He may be the CEO.
He is not reporting to anyone.
it
Yeah,
means what it means. I'm asking. Yes, definitely he's not reporting to anyone.
So he is the manager or he is on the higher post.
higher
Yes.
post. He is
Maybe
the
he is
CEO.
not
He's in the
employed now.
highest. Not employed now.
Yeah.
No,
Might
not
be.
employed now. If he
He
is
will
not
be
employed
If
employed,
now,
not
how
employed,
all
he
this?
will not be in the table.
but he will
Yes.
be on the
How
higher
he will
post.
be? Yes, he is the topmost position.
Yes.
Okay.
Above him,
Hmm.
there is no one which he
No
need to
one.
report.
Mm-hmm.
That is the thing.
Okay, employee
That
ID
thing
is there.
don't tell. I mean to say, like, business people don't explain that thing. We need to understand in
Yes.
a regular basis.
So I have questions. So these joints work similar like when we use in math in union intersection. Did they work like that?
Uh, I'll tell. You know,
Okay.
in mathematics, in mathematics, and or not, those are the different way. And means common in those things. For example, inner join is also similar to like that.
Hmm.
Or means outer join. In outer joins, two outer joins, left outer join, right outer join. In left outer join, what will happen? All the left side table information will be there. If
Oh.
suitable information is there in the right side table, it will come and attach it here. Otherwise, the null values will be shown. Right outer join means all the right side information will be there. The left side table information will come and attach to the right side table.
Hmm.
Okay, I'll
Hmm.
tell you. Now
It's,
I'll tell
it's
you.
a little confusing, sir.
Yes, it will be little confusion. So that is the reason. I'll explain basic. So one you will go and we'll do some practice also. These are the very important. Left join means left table will be there, right? Left table will be there, right?
Hmm.
In left table and right table.
Hmm.
Common
While
information will
writing
come.
the query also, it will take into consideration means first we will write the table,
Okay.
we will
For
write first,
example,
then we
if you
left.
exchange the tables also, the
Mhm.
intention will be changed.
Yeah, I mean first whatever table we
For
will write will
example,
be left.
yeah, for example,
Mhm.
select star from 1 second. I'll tell you. Select star from table 1.
Mhm.
Join table 2. Okay. Um, on a specific condition. If we want to join two tables means some specific things need to be there, right? Table 1 dot column 1 is equal to table 2 dot column 3. Okay, column 3 on. Okay, now if you observe, this is the left one and this is the right one. Okay, now tell me what will happen. Table 2, table 1 left join. What will happen? I told you, right? Left join and right join. Left join will be there, right join will be there, inner join will be there.
Hmm.
What is the difference between right outer joins, inner join? Forget about left and right. Consider about inner join first. Join. What will happen now?
It will join both table.
It will join. It will fetch the records from
Hmm.
where?
Table 1.
From table 1. From
Hmm.
table 1.
Hmm.
Right. Okay. From table 1. You need to remember. This is the left join. If you
Yeah.
exchange this table 2 and table 1 means it will fetch the records from the table 2.
Table 2.
If you change the positions of the tables also, your content, your query intention also will change.
Hmm.
So it will select from table 2 now?
Yes, it
Hmm.
will select the table 2, values from the table 2, which are
Okay.
common in table 2 and table 1 on basis of that particular column values.
Okay, so
So for example,
can
I'll
you
tell,
can you
I'll
do
tell
with
one
our
example.
tables, sir, like this?
Yes. We are going to do with our tables itself. So now I'll show you one specific thing, and after that, okay, see now. SQL store will go. Select star Carefully observe. Select star from orders. Orders table is there, right? Okay. Select star from orders. Join on customers. Can anyone tell me on what column can I add all this? Can I add these two tables? See the columns in the tables and tell me. I want to join orders and customers table. Tell me on what column base I can join. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
See those columns available in those two tables.
The customer
A
ID.
customer ID.
Yes, right. You're able to see?
Yeah. Yes.
On basis of customer ID only.
Yes.
Okay. For example, here I'm adding some more conditions. Where
State.
where points. Okay, for example, where points greater than 1000.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes.
Order by uh which thing we will take? Order by order ID we will take. Order ID. You see? Order by order ID.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Sir.
Mm. You see, this is the way how we need to write.
Mm.
Once go through the go through and try to read it. It's not like that you need to understand clearly, but if you read and if you have something in brain, then you'll get a chance to ask the doubts and you'll get a clear understanding. Today's 2 questions are posted in the group.
Hmm.
I think 1 question answer I am already solved.
I sent for one thing, other thing I have to
Okay.
do, sir. Sir,
Yes, tell me now.
so it joined both the orders and customers table, and it fetched customer ID. Based on the customer ID,
Okay, 1 second. See, now you have a doubt, right? So this is pinning the tab and
so
I understand what you're asking.
so no, what table displayed here? Like it combined both the columns, all the columns, or column name from orders and column name from
Yes,
customers.
all the yes, you see. Order ID, customer ID, order ID, customer ID.
Okay.
Okay. In here, each and everything, customer ID 2 times, first name, last name. But what are the records it came?
So what do you mean?
Records are, I mean to say, like previously how much data is there in this particular table?
I'll go and see once. So this is custom.
Previously in orders, how much data? 10 rows are there, right? But here, if you see what is the results? What is the result? Only 5 rows. Why only 5 rows? Because why only 5 rows? Hello?
Because we put some conditions and
Yes. So we put some condition that customer ID should be there in orders and as
yeah,
well as customers.
yes, and with points is greater than 100. And
Okay.
Sir, can we just do only till this customer ID? Like, can we just put this from where in the comment section? Like, can we just do only like select star from orders, join customers, where on orders dot customer equal to customer ID? Can we do only till there and see what results will it come?
Okay. See.
So it's okay. Oh, join the both tables. Now I got it. Okay. From here it is applying the conditions.
So now if you want to only select a specific conditions, you need to mention in the place of star.
Okay.
Okay. Right. For example, if I want to select only order ID, I can select.
So it is selecting only the order ID from order table, but still the tables are joined.
Yes. Previously I told you, right? Select the class.
Yes.
Whatever the columns you want to select, those columns only you can select.
Okay. So this joins will come into picture when we want
Yes.
to join two tables from the same database or two tables from the
Different databases. Different tables, different databases. Also you can join.
Yeah. Okay.
For example, how the database will be there, all the employees information will be at one place. Their personal information will be at one place. And their office professional information will be at one place. Their number of years experience and their employer details are at one place. Like that, if you want to join, each and everything should be some connection right in between those information. Otherwise, we are not able to save.
Yeah.
We are not able to retrieve in a proper way. These are the joins. After completion of the joins, we have some aggregation functions. Once aggregation functions are completed, a little bit of collage functions and some 4 to 5 specific subqueries. Anyone know about the subqueries? Anyone know subqueries?
Yes, sir.
Select star from orders
Mhm.
where WH where
Customer ID.
order ID where order ID where
Select.
order ID in
Mhm. Select order.
select, yeah.
Order
So,
ID from customers.
order ID order ID from orders table from customers table
Yeah.
from order items. We don't know this is a subquery, but this is a subquery. But anyway, in company, people are written long back. We'll just take that queries and we'll run, right? We'll see these type of things.
Mm.
Okay, these are, to run these type of subqueries, processor burden will increase a lot. Why? Because it doesn't feel anything. Each and every time it need to run the query to fetch these particular order IDs.
Mm.
And after that, it need to go and check for each and every order ID related to this particular thing from here. These are the subqueries. Some subqueries we need to discuss. And data summarization functions will be there. Group by and having. Group bys and having. And null functions. If case. Case operators. We need to see that thing to complete that SQL which is required for the data analysis. Okay, please go through that SQL concepts. I'm just like up to now, up to how much we discussed. So please go through that particular concepts, and if you have any doubts or when you are implementing any other exercises, please let me know.
So usually these query results are, I mean, accessed through Tableau. Can these results be accessed through Tableau?
Yes, yes,
If we connect the database to Tableau,
yes, right. Yes,
right?
right.
Okay. Okay.
Connectors will be there in the Tableau desktop version. Lot of connectors will be there. We need to write the query and we need to keep it up. When it is triggered, it need to run the query and fetch the data.
Okay.
Scheduled jobs will be there. Shell scripting jobs will be there inside to it.
So those are taken care by data scientists, or those are already written usually?
So no, we'll write. We'll
We
write
write
those. We'll
scripts
write.
also.
No, 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 no. Not scripts. Already people, data engineering will be, data engineers will be the separate people, right?
Okay.
Data engineers will build the data analyst. What you will do, no?
Mm-hmm.
Maximum you will get the data from somewhere.
Okay.
You'll get, you need to give the data to someone.
Mm-hmm.
That is our duty. But
Okay.
that someone is not ours. Data engineers and ETL developers will be there.
Okay.
That is not our role. If it's a small company and it's in then it need to be, we need to do the development and website also, right? We need to
Mhm.
develop website also, right? Based on the company.
Yeah.
We need to take the attendance also sometimes.
Yeah.
We don't
Do that.
where
Okay.
so it's completely depends upon the working style of the company,
Okay.
work style of that company. But generally in between us and the data things,
Mhm.
ETL person and data engineer will be there.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, got it, sir.
Please go through the SQL resource first.
Sir,
Up to now. And you have any questions, please, you can ask me now.